Today I cook
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난
with the halogen oven.
with the halogen oven. So this one is easy. I'll show you. So 1.5 kg. Yeah. 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Yeah, so 60 minutes on 180 and turn it into
Okay.
160.
The chicken. It's just with herbs already inside, so just ready to cook. Ooh, yuck! See, the chicken is in there now, and just I put this. That's it. And I need to timer on.
You've got to turn it on.
Great.
So that's the power.
Ooh,
You haven't got it plugged in.
plug in. Oh. Yeah, okay, so that's it.
Timer.
Timer. Is that ready?
Temp. 180.
180 and
Time. Was it 120? So we put it 40 minutes.
40 minutes, 60.
They probably won't need to do it for as long as that. 40 minutes.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah,
Easy
then
to
turn it
cook.
over.
And then I turn over later. Yeah, okay. And later, how many minutes? Oh, what can? If you can see. Oh, chicken.
Was in Holagen Oven. But like what you do.
Wow, it's fine.
I think you're okay.
Yum yum. Yum yum. I can't eat that way. I can't eat this small thing. Wow, looks like born. Or just turn over. Wow. What kind of chicken is that? Looks like it's big, massive. Oh, see? Again, for how many minutes? $40 and 160. Is still the same?
Well, take a picture of that.
And
Cheesy, creamy potato gratin.
cheesy gravy potato. It's cooked. Huh?
What have you done about the chicken being cooked?
Oh, I can't. Perfect. Yeah. Easy to cook and perfect. Yum.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너.